Introduce highlight features or overview summary for KISSAIR 12,000 BTU window air conditioner. You can find wanted here. Shop from a wide selection of devices in different configurations for your needs. Filter by specification, type, brand and more. Highlight features or overview summary are include: powerful cooling for large spaces. This 12,000 BTU window air conditioner efficiently cools areas up to 550 square feet, making it perfect for bedrooms, living rooms, and home offices. Enjoy rapid temperature drops even in larger rooms and stay comfortable all day long. Energy efficient, the window air conditioner boasts a high CEER of 10.9, consuming less energy while delivering excellent cooling performance, making it an eco-friendly and wallet-friendly choice. All-in-one climate control. Adjust the temperature from 61 degrees Fahrenheit to 88 degrees Fahrenheit and choose from multiple modes: cooling, dehumidifying, fan, sleep, auto, and energy saving. With a 0.5 to 24-hour timer and 4-speed settings, this window air conditioner allows you to customize your indoor climate to your exact needs. Whisper quiet sleep experience. When in sleep mode, this window air conditioner operates at a low 54 decibels, ensuring a peaceful night's rest. Create a cool and undisturbed sleep environment, even on sweltering nights. Convenient and hassle-free setup. This window air conditioner features an easy-to-read LED display and panel controls, along with a remote for effortless operation from across the room. Comes with all necessary accessories, a detailed user manual, and is designed for simple installation. It fits windows with a width of 26 to 36 inches and a minimum height of 16 inches. If you want to get highlight features and full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. In addition, if you think our channel is useful for you, you can press to subscribe. Recommend new products releases update all day YouTube channel, to get instant notifications of all future uploads.